What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Old Farts Garage. Well, as you can see, my beard has a little imprint there. That's from using the mask. I've been busy already this morning, but I thought I'd take a break before lunch and show you guys what I've been up to, because a lot's been happening, and it's happening quick, and it's got to happen a little bit quicker because according to the weather forecasts, we're expecting rain next Wednesday, a week from today. So I got to hurry up and get done what I got to get done, you know, before the weather gets me. But anyways, thanks everybody who continues to follow me. Thanks for all the comments and stuff. So let me show you what I got going on. All right. So the 63 is out in the driveway now. Okay. It's in the sun. It's getting sun-baked. All right, as you can see. Okay. And I had to move it out of the paint booth. All right. I still got to do this bottom part though right here. All right. I got to still do the grill part. No biggie. But as for the rest of it, you know, doing good. I mean, you saw plenty of pictures of it. But here's what we got going on, okay? In the paint booth, we have the bed. Yes, we do. So, check it out. So I had the bed pretty much done, primered and all that and everything, but I took too long and it sat out in the elements, and as you can see, you know, it's starting to get a little bit of surface rust, and you know, in the bare metal, and all the primer's already oxidized and stuff. All right, so because like I said, I left it out in the elements too long before I got to painting it. As you can see, you know, it took its toll on it. Okay, here I gotta clean that up and treat it. You know, that's some surface rust, but still needs to be treated. All right, most of the undercoating has held up, but over here it's starting to peel, and it's not the greatest undercoating, as you can see over there too. It was just a quick spray on so that I could leave it outside and not let it hurt, you know, anything too much. So, but see, as you can see, you got some surface rust there. All right. So out here in this part, not too bad. So I just got to do like a quick sanding, throw a new coat of some primer on there. Okay, see, you got a little bit of surface rust. You know, it sat over the last winter and everything, and I need to hurry up and get it taken care of. See all the weathering on it and everything. Okay. All right. So here, right there, I gotta clean that up, undercoat it over here too. You can see right here, this is where I had to cut the old, I had to put a new piece of panel there. Not the greatest welding job, but hey, it worked. You know, it's on there. Okay. Same over here. This is where, these are areas and patches where the person who had it before me had a Barton bumper, one of those big old heavy duty work bumpers, and it was already tearing up the sides, so when I took it off I went ahead and had to patch it up. Over here I got to fix that. I kind of dropped it when I was moving it around on this little, see, I got this homemade, I made this little cart for it, you know, so I could mount it on there and move it around. It's got locking wheels on it and everything, and it's been really good. So that's what that's on. And then over here I got the wood. All right, this is the wood. It's 3/4 inch plywood. I'm not, because like I said, I'm not gonna, it's not a show truck. What I'm doing is I sanded it down, got it all cleaned up as best I could. I'm gonna undercoat the bottom, mount it on the truck, and then once I'm done with the bed, let's try that again, okay? Anyways, undercoat the wood, okay? Put it on the bed, mount it on the bed. Now, when I put it on the bed, it's going to be flipped over, so the undercoated part will be on the bottom. and the wood, exposed wood, will be on top. So what I'm going to do is once I get it on top, okay, once I get it on there, flip it over, then I can undercoat. All this is going to be undercoated. I mean, no bed liner type stuff. Okay, that's all going to be bed liner. I'm not going to paint the inside or anything. Okay, it's just going to be bed liner because it's a daily driver. I'm going to be using it. I'm still going to be throwing shit in the back. You know, all this will be, you know, bed liner up to here. Okay, well, actually, I might do it up to here. I might go. Let me see if I can show you. I might go right here, all this bed liner, so that if I'm throwing something over top and it hits it, it's not going to hurt it too much. Get it all scratched up and everything. All right, from this line here down to the seam, okay, all that's going to be red, and then from here down is going to be white. Okay, so everything, like I said, from this seam up, that's why the hood and the top of the cab are red. It's all going to be red. Everything else in the bottom is going to be white, and the inside of the bed is going to be all bed liner along with all the wood. So anyways, I got that going on. Okay, and let me show you what else I did to the truck. Okay, jeez Louise, I'm gonna kill myself getting out of there. Okay, let's squeeze on over here in between the booth and everything. I like my driver's seat. Pretty cool, huh? I had to sit on something while we were moving it. So I got the rails and the fenders on. The fenders are going to be bed liner also. Okay, just like I did. The frame has got a undercoating on it. The cross sills have undercoating on it. Okay, so they're all bolted on there, ready to go. All right, so all I gotta do now is just get the bed taken care of, and then I put everything back in the booth and start wet sanding. So anyways, okay, let me get in here because the sun's kind of glary. All right, so what I got to do, all right, I got to get the bed painted. Well, let's back up again. I'm kind of Russian. Actually, I'm Mexican. Anyways, since the bed has been done already, all the body work on all that and everything, all I have to do is give it a good sanding again, get rid of that surface rust, treat it and all that and everything, throw another coat of a fresh coat of epoxy primer on it. Okay, give it maybe a quick little sanding, you know, on the surface and all that. Throw it on the bed, put the whole truck back inside the booth, and then paint it. Because I don't want to paint the outside of the bed without it being on the truck. That way I can line up my my lines, you know. Okay, you guys all know about that, how that goes. But I do need to paint one part before I put it back on the truck. I'll show you. Okay, the part that I want to paint before I put it on the truck, okay, is this back part here. All right, all right. I want to get this part painted because that's the part that's in between the cab and all that. And if I don't paint it before I put it on the truck, I'm not going to be able to paint it, okay, because it'll be already mounted and it'll be up against the cab. So I do want to get this part all painted and taken care of, and then I can put the bed back on the truck. And once it's back on the truck, then I can go ahead and paint the sides and stuff so that I can line up line up, you know, match up the lines and stuff on the truck. All right, so anyways, that's pretty much my short video, and I got to get back to work. But first lunch, then we'll get back to work. All right, so anyways, that's what I got going on right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this down and get to work. So I'll catch you guys back on. I'll put you guys back on once I get some progress so you guys can see what I've done. All right. Okay. Well, it's the end of the day, and We actually got a lot done. So I got this corner here. Did some undercoating patching right here. Okay, redid that. Redid this one. Redid this rail right here where the tailgate goes. Okay, all that's been recoated, taken care of. Tomorrow I'll work my way further down that way and see that corner over there. I gotta scrape that, sand it down, recoat it right there and right there. This one is doing okay. I just have to wipe it down, clean it, and put a second coat just for safe measures. And then I can start sanding. Then I can start sanding on the bed. As for the bed wood, I got it all undercoated. This is the bottom. This will be facing down at the bottom. Okay, so I got that all taken care of. The top part I won't coat until I put it on the bed itself and do the whole inside of the bed and the wood together. So there we have it. Mission accomplished so far. Yep, got that done, that done, that done, and the wood done. So anyways, mission accomplished. Like I said, I got a lot done, but it's late now. It's kind of dark in here, can't see. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang it up for today. See this? Got the wood bed and the bed in here. And I'm gonna go ahead and hang it up, clean up my mess, go inside, take a shower, and enjoy the rest of the evening. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. And thank you for all the subscriptions and all the likes and comments and everything. Hit that notification bell so when I load up some more, they'll let you know. And I guess y'all have a great night, and we'll see you tomorrow. All right? God bless.